Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this video is probably not going to help too many people, but I've done plenty on this already, but I thought I'd go ahead and add this. This is pretty neat. If you haven't watched parts 1 through 4, you might be a little bit lost. But I'm gonna hit the plus key on my keyboard. I'm gonna nudge that over ever so equally, so now they're the same. So if we take this first one and we go back minus front, we leave a hole. If we take our graphic and rotate it 22.5 degrees or so, grab both these and intersect them, and then nudge that over, that would be really hard to read, but if you take the font and make it blue, I don't know whoever would do that, but it's pretty cool. And we could do what we did before and make it a thinner hair or thinner line, and it would actually even be more visible, now. Let's go quite a bit. I'm working with inches now and where I wasn't before. Just a different look. I don't know whoever would, I think this is maybe what the original person was wanting. It's just totally different. And you could do the same thing with rotating this, you know, 45 degrees, and do the same thing with the intersect tool and then put it over there. Total different look. I'm going to try one more thing before we close for tonight. So there's a totally different look. Let's try it one more time. Let's put this back to 0 and let's try mirroring it upside down. Now we'll take the intersect tool. Let me zoom in here. Let me do the intersect tool. Wow, almost unreadable unless you make it a different color. It's really almost the same as what we've done before, but, and I'm not even saying you would ever do this, but a pretty cool effect. We could make it, yellow, make this red, and have a total different look. I don't know whoever would use that, but just some options. Hope that helped.